We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hey homeowner, when you're on the toilet this winter, keep your Tootsies warm with a wall electric fan heater installed by A.R.T. Electric. This versatile heating solution provides quiet, efficient heat that keeps rooms warm and cozy. Each heater is thermostatically controlled. To set the temperature, simply turn the dial clockwise. To reduce the temperature, turn the dial counterclockwise. Yes, maximize your home's comfort by hiring A.R.T. Electric for all your electrical installations. A.R.T. Electric, where quality electrical work is an art.